Hello, welcome to Ravi Positional Strategies. So let us see the activity levels for March 10th, and today is holiday, so we'll see the levels for tomorrow, March 12th, and I will also discuss dual lots trading strategy. That will be highly useful during range bound sessions that's happened in the last week, and that will be very helpful for range bound trading, right? So I will also explain how we can effectively use this dual lot strategy for making money along with super trend strategy. So if you combine this super trend strategy along with dual lot strategy, you can make good success with your trading strategy. So let's see the activity for tomorrow. Yesterday, so both Nifty and BankNifty opened gap up but did not sustain higher levels. So tested yesterday's high and stayed positive for the day. So also fractals are giving good money on intraday trades. So please watch my fractals video, so how to do intraday trading with fractals, right? So Nifty is continuing its positive bias. So the Nifty reversal level is 14,856, and we're still tracking super trend level, that is 15,136. Banknifty Futures is testing higher levels, so it's turned positive for now. So the reversal level is at 35,116, and super trend level is 35,746. USD INR is in the positive zone, right? So the trade for Nifty, Bank Nifty are posted in the table. So currently we have one lot long in Nifty and one lot long in Bank Nifty and one USD INR, which is long, right? If you see the profits booked, so we shorted Nifty during intraday. Based on the fractals, we got a profit of 2,800, and there is another long created and got a profit of 2,400, right? Then again, if we see Bank Nifty, so we Bank Nifty, we have a short trade created intraday based on the fractals, got a profit of 120. And this is a multi-lot entry, so other lot we move to the starting price, 0 down, and so we have a long on the Bank Nifty. Right? USD is we are continuing the long, right? So if you see the trading activity here, so this is the Nifty open gap up and it went down and it again went up. So we had one short trade and one long trade. So we got long trade based on the fractals, right? One short trade because Nifty at opened at resistance and didn't sustain, it came down. Similarly, the Bank Nifty, it gap up but came down. So we had a short, which because we are Bank Nifty has a negative bias, we created a short. Got some profit, then it moved up. So now it's sustaining about this. So the reversal level is changed for Bank Nifty. So we are looking for positive bias in the Bank Nifty, and USD/INR is in the positive trend, right? So as we discuss, let us see the dual lot strategy. So what is this dual lot strategy? It's combined with Mysar levels, that is stop and reversal levels. So I am posting these stop and reversal levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and USD/INR. How to use these stop and reversal levels and dual lot strategy. So basically dual lot strategy is nothing but whenever we enter a trade, we enter trade with two lots. And once we are positive, we'll book one lot with small profits and move the other lot to the starting price, buying price. So that way our losses will be limited, even if it is a range bound, and we make good money. So let us see some example of how we can use this dual lot strategy for Nifty. Right, so the Nifty reversal level is 14,856. See, if you see the chart for last 3-4 days, so Nifty moved up, it came down, moved up again, came down, and it moved up, came down, like that. So basically, so when we say my SR level, whenever we see price closer to this my SR level, we will try to buy, right? So Nifty, so like whenever it's Nifty is above this level, we see that it is a positive trend, and whenever we get dips, right, we buy it, right? So we got opportunities, so we are looking for dips, right? So this is one dip, this is another dip, right? This is another dip, this is another dip, and this is another dip here, right? We got 4 dips, right? So whenever we try to buy the dips, right, so here we got a fractal. It's also an entry for intraday traders, right? It's a fractal. So whenever we buy here, we buy 2 lots. So for Nifty, the first target will be 30 to 40 points. Then we move right with the trend, right? So once we buy 2 lots here, with the stop loss of this, so the first lot we book a profit of 40, right? That's around 3,000 rupees. Then we move the second lot stop loss to the buying price, right? Then we can follow the trend, and we can book a trade at an appropriate point, right? So the second lot would have given like let's see, if we enter here, probably we stopped here. So we got like 80 points on the second lot. So that's how we make good money on the range bound trades using dual lot strategy. Similarly here, so there is a dip here. So if you bought here, right, if you bought here, you probably take some profit. The first trade and second trade will probably take a bigger profit, right? So that way, so we are not losing big on the trades. And when it is a range bound session, super trend doesn't give proper direction. Like it will give up, upward trend, then it will go downward trend, then again it gives upward trend. So when you are in the range bound, this dual lot strategy will be highly useful. And also the MySR levels, right? If you have these MySR levels that I post in my blog, and whenever it's above the levels, you try to buy. Whenever the price below this MySR levels, you try to sell. Right? That way, we'll avoid these range bound sessions and losses created by super trend because of the range bound sessions. Right? So this is the dual lot strategy. If you have any questions on this strategy, comment below in the video so I can explain more. And if you want to join my Telegram channel to get live updates intraday, join my Telegram channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications whenever I post new videos, and click on bell icon to get notifications as well. So any questions on dual lot strategy, how it works, put it in the comments. I will reply with detailed answers.